Hi everyone, this is Starry. In this class, you will see 8th problem from exercise 2.8, chapter numbers and sequence. So let's go into the video. Here in 8th problem, Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they continue process simultaneously, assuming that the process is unaltered and it costs rupees 2 to mail one letter. Find the amount of spent on postage when 8 set of letter is mailed. So Kumar was Kumar writes a letter and send it to 4 of his friends. Okay, 4 friends. Then he asks each of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons. So each of them should mail 4. So 4 into 4 will get 16 and ask us to do the instruction to continue the process. We wanted to continue the process. So 16 into 4, each of them should send 4. So it goes to 64. Okay. Then it process goes like that only. Okay. Here given 8th set. So until 8th term. Okay. So first we have 4 plus we have 16 plus 64. It goes up to 8th term. Okay. We all know first we need to find how many letters are sent until 8th term. Okay, and the cost of letter should be find. So first we will take first value as 4. We all know always first value a equal to 4. Then the common ratio r is equal to second term divided by first term. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, like that it goes. Second term divided by first term is 16 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 fours are. So r equal to 4. Okay, r equal to 4. It is greater than 1. R is greater than 1. We have found a and r. R is greater than 1. So we have formula Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, so we have to find 8th term. So s of sum of 8 is r value, a value we know 4 and r value also 4, power n we have 8. Okay, in place of n we have written 8 now. So n we have 8 minus 1 by r value is 4 minus 1. Okay, so let's take 4 as it is and we need to find 4 power 8. So for finding that we have to do 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You need, if you multiply this you will get 4 power 8. So okay, so let's group this as 2 4 into 4 16. Okay, 16. If we take this to 16 into 16 256. These are the 256. 16 into 16 256. 256 into 256 we will get 6 5 5 3 6. Okay, 4 power 8 is 6 5 5 3 6 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 as it is 6 5 5 3 6 minus 1 is 6 5 5 3 5 minus 1 is 5 divided by 3. If we divide this, 3 ones are 3, 2 and 8 4 5, 2 1 8 4 5. Okay, so 2 1 8 4 5 into 4, it gives 87380. Okay, it is number of mailed is forwarded, number of mail sent is this much. Here the amount of spend on postage, we need to find amount. Each mail cost 1 liter cost rupees 2. So the amount is the amount equal to 87380 into 2, because each cost rupees 2. So we will get 174760. Okay, it is in rupees because 2 rupees, so it is rupees. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends, and leave a comment. I will post my videos oftenly. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.